In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix a no sound issue on WhatsApp status, whether it's your own status or someone else. First, launch your WhatsApp. Now, navigate to the section Updates. If there is no sound, start by completely closing the WhatsApp app. Then swipe down from the top of your screen to check a few important things, such as whether your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device, if your volume is turned on, or Do Not Disturb is enabled. Make sure the volume slider is all the way up and turn off Do Not Disturb or any focus mode if it's active. Next, go to your phone setting. Now scroll down and head over to the option Sound and Haptics. Ensure that silent mode is turned off as this can block audio playback. After that, reopen WhatsApp and check if the sound works. If the issue continues, go back into your settings and check Bluetooth to see if your phone is connected to headphones or a speaker and disconnect or turn Bluetooth off completely. Another common cause is a WhatsApp app glitch. For that, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp, launch it. Now click on Upload app, confirm it, and reinstall it. With these, your WhatsApp status sound should work. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.